The only thing I knew about this film before watching it on Netflix is apparently Adam Sandler is really good in it. Nothing can prepare you for how good exactly he is. Hello, this is घर से movie review, a video series nobody asked for, लेकिन बहुत प्रेशर है कुछ बनाने के लिए तो बना रही हूँ। लेकिन पजामे की जगह जीन्स पहन लो, उतनी मेहनत नहीं हो रही है मुझसे। I am catching up on films recommended by you in this lockdown, and I'm talking about them in front of my bookshelf. Today, let's chat about Uncut Gems, shall we? Set in 2012 in New York City, this is the story of a jeweler, Howard Ratner, जिसको अपने jewelry store से भी उतना ही प्यार है जितना उसको sports के ऊपर betting करने से love है. And this isn't any jewelry store जहाँ पर हम अपनी मम्मियों के साथ जाया करते थे. This is New York City Diamond District, a seriously messed up business, very complicated, with bling which the rich and famous tend to prefer, which can get really quite outlandish. ऐसे में Howie, played by Adam Sandler, he gets a shipment of this magnificent rock straight from an Ethiopian mine with an opal inside, which immediately starts a chain reaction, throwing his whole life out of whack. जैसे पैरासाइट में रॉक थी नहीं, वैसी बिल्कुल।
या 이거 진짜 상징적인 거네.
यहाँ एक ये ओपल है, what writers might call a MacGuffin, एक ऑब्जेक्ट जो प्रोटैगनिस्ट को भी चाहिए और एंटागनिस्ट को भी चाहिए होता है, लेकिन us as audience we don't really care about the object per se, हमें स्टोरी में कैरेक्टर्स की लाइव्स में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट होता है। जैसे हैंगओवर में उनका चौथा दोस्त नहीं था जो फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले गायब हो जाता है, या अवेंजर्स में सारे के सारे इन्फिनिटी स्टोन्स। We aren't interested in solving the puzzles really which lead us to the MacGuffin, लेकिन the world which constantly revolves around these objects is what fascinates us. तो back to Uncut Gems, ये MacGuffin पूरी राड़ की जड़ है, which also begets the question, पैरासाइट की तरह, क्योंकि मूवी में एक बार भी इस ओपल को अनकट जेम कोई नहीं बोलता, तो राइटर डायरेक्टर्स द साफडी ब्रदर्स अनकट जेम कह किसको रहे हैं? Who it is? मसक्कली में मसक्कली एक्चुअली कौन, कबूतर या सोनम कपूर? I think the uncut gem here is Howard, Adam Sandler's character. By no means is this guy likable. ये पूरी तरह से actually despicable बंदा है. He cheats on his wife, treats his girlfriend quite poorly. He doesn't respect his kids a whole lot. He runs his shop and his business quite haphazard, and he curses like a lot.
Okay, you really into right that? Oh, wow.
Also, he's addicted to gambling, so you're not supposed to sympathize with him. लेकिन फिर भी his character is always on the verge of redemption, कि अभी ये कुछ सही कर देगा और audience की sympathy लग जाएगी.
Give me another shot.
So maybe Howard is the uncut gem, like he's actually a nice guy. Also, what a stroke of genius ना to cast Adam Sandler, an uncut gem himself, an actor जिसकी फिल्में more often than not have been truly terrible. But when you give him a role like this, he shines like a gem. Very good. But also, writer-director the Safdie brothers, they're aware of the dangers of writing a story where a man who's shown to be mean-spirited even before his misfortunes begin, to have an end where he's the winner who takes all. I mean, that's not, quite right. So I won't spoil it for how this character story ends, but it's a conclusion that you might see coming, but you also don't see it coming, and when it finally reaches the point, you're just as shocked as you were when you found out कि आयुष्मान अंधाधुन में actually अंधा नहीं था. वैसे इस लॉकडाउन में मैं ज्यादा strongly uncut gems recommend करूंगी नहीं, क्योंकि this film is desperately claustrophobic. Anxiety जितनी हो रही है ना आजकल एक घर में बंद रहकर, वो थोड़ी एक दिन के लिए ना बढ़ जाएगी. टाइट कैमरा फ्रेम्स, मतलब ऐसे कि एक स्टार्टिंग सीक्वेंस तो पूरी हावर्ड के कोलोनोस्कोपी का है. His shop is small, the rooms are small, there's constant gali galoch, it's just too much to handle, and people get shot in extremely tense situations. The music is loud and jarring. Lots of people are talking at the same time. The dialogue is crazy overlapping. It's a cacophony, which is so uncomfortable. Because see, when a bunch of animated and aggressive people are all talking at the same time, in your head, you're already hearing that gunshot that's about to go off, which will immediately lead to the scene becoming super quiet. You're anticipating it. And the Safdie brothers make you wait for that gunshot to quieten things down. It comes not once but twice. Two main characters get killed, and the film makes you pine for it because you can't hold your breath any longer, but also you can't walk away because by the time you've reached this point, you've invested too much into these horrible people, and you need to see them either get away with all this shit or be taught a lesson. नहीं तो दिल को तसल्ली नहीं होगी. It is a very tasalliful film. The one true, good, honest person gets away with the riches. Some sticky people meet sticky ends. This film, which has been in some of the other stage of making for the last 10 years, is so wonderfully complete. 2 दिन तक कुछ और देखने की आपको जरूरत महसूस नहीं होगी नेटफ्लिक्स पर अनकट जेम्स देखने के बाद. दैट इज इफ यू डिसाइड टू वॉच. सी अबव एंजाइटी. क्लाइमैक्टिक सीक्वेंस में 3 लोग एक सी थ्रू ट्रैप रूम टाइप विच you'll understand when you see the film उसमें फंसे हुए हैं, जिसमें टीवी पर एक हाई एड्रेनलिन बास्केटबॉल गेम चल रही है, वो देख रहे हैं वहां से फंसे हुए, एंड साइमल्टेनियसली betting is also going on. It's all very high stakes and high blood pressure guaranteed. So if you're feeling extra stressed out these days, because obviously you are, maybe don't watch, or watch on a day when you think you'll be able to deal with it, or watch it and realize that at least nobody's trying to shoot at you and stealing your diamonds. It could be worse. Another amazing theme running through the film is the power of two brothers and brotherhood. Howard has a brother-in-law who sometimes is his friend, sometimes is his worst enemy. There are 2 brothers who Howard owes a debt to. They make an appearance. The goons who come to beat him up are a duo, and of course the director duo, also brothers. I don't know what to make of it, but it's there. It's a fun little observation. Observations already बहुत सारी हैं इस फिल्म के बारे में online. The time it took to make, how it was always going to be Adam Sandler, how many non-actors and first-time actors are in this film, guest cameos, and where you need to watch out to catch Tilda Swinton in an appearance. If you catch Tilda Swinton in an appearance in Uncut Gems, यहाँ comment करके बताओ online cheating करे बिना. और क्योंकि मैं rating वेटिंग देती नहीं हूँ, I must recommend a movie of hers, Jim Jarmusch की Only Lovers Left Alive, where her and my love Tom Hiddleston they play vampires. Delicious. While ये फिल्म legally stream नहीं हो रही है कहीं इंडिया में, Lovers Left Alive, and I searched a lot, check out the soundtrack on YouTube. बेहतरीन. And if Netflix, Amazon or Mubi anybody is watching, please help यार. We need visuals of Tom and Tilda making out for our collective lockdown pleasure. Alright, so that's all for today. जब motivation आएगी, अगला वीडियो भी तभी आएगा. Bye! But if you're really interested in knowing कि अगला वीडियो कब आएगा, आप सब्सक्राइब कर लो. This is my first YouTube video, guys. Okay, bye, for real. Even before his misfortunes begin, sorry. Moss fortunes. How's that? Good?